risky. Anyway, hope y'all having a great day. Just doing an unboxing of the ANI Italian made F160S. Where I got this from, I got it from, oh my gosh, Promax. That's one of the companies I usually buy from. Also, there's other good companies like PRP, and then there's, I can't pronounce the name, Mazzo. But I'll put the links down in the description. So I paid about $145 for this because it was on sale. Now they're retailed and gone up a little bit. Like 190 is a normal price, but I literally bought it when it was on sale, so it's kind of like I had it for a while. Excuse the bed. And I just wanted to go ahead and, you know, open it. You know, I got like a lot of guns, so we're not gonna act like I don't have a lot of guns. And I've been sticking on my ANI 160s, my smaller versions, the mini versions. But this one, I really wanted to get more of a full size going. So, to show you what comes in the box. One of the reasons why I love ANI. So, right to the point, here's the gun. Has a nice finish. Reminds me of some Sada Jets or some like DeVille Biz. But, oh, and here's a key way you can tell between which gun you're using. Is a little tip right here. A little blue tip. This is a water-based one. This is going to sound crazy. I know I'm not using gun 100% correctly, but the way I look at it is a tool is a tool. As long as you're being safe with it, you're cleaning it. I have another one of these, so I bought a second one. That's how much I like them. They're on sale, so when these go on sale, I buy. So, and so the idea is I use these for like your cheap clears or just your thinner clears. Or, you know, you can use them for like the higher solid clears as well. But this is the 1.3 tip. You see it's a WB, water-based. And this one, I love this one. It's a HPS. It's not the HBLP model. They have HBLP model, but I'll pull one just so you can see. It look pretty much the same, but you'll see. But yeah. And also, if you're curious what this is, it's like the DV1s. There's like a click. So it's like a gauge you can put up there. So if you just want to be able to read your air, I love it as well. Little click device. And why I love this so much is because it's more affordable. It's more affordable than the DV1s. And it stays amazing. So literally, to me, this is like a DV1 killer. Because the reason why I say that is because the fact that it's half the price, sprays good. You can get the version to click. The version with the click, I think it's like $325, $315. I've seen them as low as $285. For $285, you can't really beat that. So that's the gun. Put that right here. And of course it comes with a cup. You know, little filters. Let me open this. Y'all like can't see nothing. One hand's kind of hard. Oh, okay. So I'm surprised. I forgot this came with this. So yeah, so it even says F-150. So it comes with a rebuild kit. How many guns come with rebuilding parts? I mean, you can zoom in on this. That's another reason why I love this gun. See, look, you even got all the little pieces, spring, you got everything. That's why I love this company, ANI. Like, you get all of this with just the gun. But I'm going to put this back in the cup because this is kind of dope. Does the cup say ANI? No. But, hey, I think this is dope. It comes with the stuff. And to me, bang for your buck already. And, oh, okay. Well, like most companies, you get this. But I like this one. It even says ANI on it. Or Ani. You know who I'm talking about. I love, like, when he said Ani, I was like, Ani. I was like, oh, Ani, I see it. I keep saying A-N-I. I've always heard everyone say A-N-I. He's the only person I've ever heard say Ani. But hey, I'm saying it both ways. You know, I'd be like, it's Ani. Okay, so what also comes in the box, of course, you got instructions. So there's also a siphon feed, there's a pressure feed, and there's a gravity feed. So this is one of the things I love about ANI. They have this nice finish. So this one reminds me of kind of like the Wacoms, and I mean, I know a lot of people love Wacoms right now, or Walmec, however you want to say it. Walmex is like the other way. I think they were Walmec, then it became Wacom. But anyway, this is the HPLP. You notice the difference. Extra little ports. I'm not sure exactly the proper name. I call them ports. Airflow. So see, look, you got 2, you got 3. Atomization wise, I have seen great out of the HPLP versions, but also out of these ones as well. So yeah, so this is what you get out of this box. See, they're very similar. This is also a 160 as well. Like, very similar. So one of the big differences, you have the option for the TMPS or TPMSI. So you have that. Kind of like, let me show you. Let me pull this back up. Like, you have a little click device right there. See a little option for that. That's what that is. But in the regular 160s, it doesn't have that option. But still great. I mean, I love the 160s. I mean, the 160s you're getting for at least like $106. So this is $106. This one cost me $145, but you can get it for like $190. But for $106, I like it right now. No exaggeration. Better than the W400s because of the price. W400s, can't lie, one of the best guns I ever had. But literally, to me, bang for your buck right here. So this is a quick little video, just a little quick conclusion. This is the ANI 160S, and this is with the model with the click version. And got my little assistant right there if you're here. But yeah, so yeah, this is a quick little unboxing, and later I'll be spraying these 2. I want to say I'm going to use this one for clear because I like to use the 1.2s for clear, and I like to use this for base. So we're going to see how it goes, and stay tuned.